right, here is Engaged New York, end of Module 4 assessment. The content covered is addition and subtraction within 200 with word problems to 100. And I'm on problem 2B, and I'll be modeling the addition part of this problem. I have 154 plus 27. And I'm going to use a vertical equation and a chip model to solve this problem. I encourage my students to be very proud of themselves when they line up the place value nice and straight. My 7 is directly under my 4, and so is my 2 directly right underneath my 5. So here's my chip model. I've got ones, tens, and hundreds, and I'm going to put 154, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 151, 52, 53, 154. And since I'm adding, I'm going to combine both of those add-ins. So I also need to put 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Now I'm ready to start. I always start my addition in the ones place. And in the ones place, I have 4 plus 7. Well, I know that 4 plus 6 is 10, and I'm going to bundle that up. That helps me to easily see that 4 plus 7 is the same as 10 plus 1, which is 11. That means that 1 gets to stay, and then I bundled a 10, which is going to come over to the tens place. And on my vertical equation, I record 1, and I bundled a 10, and it gets to join the other tens. Now I get to add my tens. 50 plus 20 equals 70, plus 10 more is 80. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 1 more is 8. And then hundreds only are in the first add-in, none here. So 100 plus no hundreds equals 100. 1 plus 0 equals 1. Now I need to explain my answer using place value. So I'm going to just write that explanation. Using a chip model, I added both add-ins. First, the ones place. First, I added the ones, and I needed to bundle 10 ones and move that to the tens place. I added the tens and the hundreds. Moving on to the last problem here, it's 86 plus 45, and I'm going to solve this problem using the arrow way. I'll start with my first add-in, 86, and I need to add 45. Now I know that 8 plus 2 is 10, so that helps me to know that 80 plus 20 is 100. So I'm actually going to break this 4 tens up into plus 20 2 times. So 86 plus 20 is 106, and 106 plus 20 is 126. And there I have added my 4 tens. Now I need to add my 5 ones. But I know that 6 plus 4 is 10, so I'm actually going to add 4 ones and then 1, which will help me to be able to add all of my ones. 126 plus 4 is 130, and 130 plus 1 is 131. And let me explain my answer using place value. So starting at 86, I added 4 tens in 2 parts. I did plus 20 and then another plus 20. Then I added 5 ones in 2 parts, plus 4 and plus 1.